Have you been looking to join a network of local business owners who are going to talk on a regular basis and actually workshop together their businesses to discover opportunities for their growth? At Business DNA, we've been running business workshops on a quarterly basis. Actually, the series has been going for now nearly 15 years with business leaders and business owners to talk about the real issues that are going on in their business to actually find ways of getting more growth and more profit. Over the last 2 years, some of the subjects we've talked about is about how to find your peak productivity or how to be an agile leader. What about being personally successful? How does your personal success affect your business? What about unlocking the value in your business and having a different way of looking at it? We've talked about just getting things done and strategies behind that, or being part of a winning team and winning through resilience so that we can actually achieve things. Or look at what are the growth opportunities. Come and join us by registering through our website or contacting our office on 02 6884 5888, or speak to Fiona at businessdna.digital. Come and join the DNA Innovators, the DNA Business Innovators, business owners who are working together and have been doing so now for a long period of time to find new secrets in their business.